Alright, Lee, here's your 124 scale Dodge Charger Pursuit. This is obviously a black slick top and decaled as a Stevens County Sheriff unit from Georgia. You asked about the larger wraparound push bumper. We discussed that. We do have 2 blue grille strobes, blue visor lighting across the front, 6 LEDs with that. Of course, we saw the decals already on the sides. There's the license plate, and then then God We Trust on the rear under the tail light. You've also got 2 blue strobes on the top visor, and strobe headlights and tail lights. To change the battery in this, just remove these 2 screws in the back. That's the only ones you have to remove. Once you do that, this rear bumper will pull off, and you can see the battery right there. It's easy enough to change. There's no reason to take all the screws out. I guess you can if you want to. It's just more trouble to deal with. So like I said, it's easy enough just to take the 2 out and go that route. 1 switch, turn it on. Add an interior work light as well. I don't know if you wanted that or not. Went ahead and added that. I already had the MDT and all in there, so I went ahead and added the decals that I use and interior work light. So again, with your headlights and grille strobes, your right grille strobe is hooked to the left headlight, so they kind of have a little alternating strobe look to them. 3 different patterns, a couple different strobe patterns with that. They're triple strobe. There's a slower wig-wag with a triple strobe, and then a faster speed there. Again, the headlights and grille lights both hooked to the same board. Above on the blue front visor, 6 LEDs there. Again, the same setup. They look like they're just flashing once. It's actually a triple strobe each time it flashes. With each side there's a triple strobe. So it really looks good in person. Same setup on the rear, except 2 LEDs. Again, the same patterns with those. Triple strobe, and then alternating side to side there. And then you just ask for strobe tail lights. That's what we have in there. They're a consistent pattern there. Of course, license plate again. So there you have it. Get it back to you. You'll have it by the end of April, so it worked out pretty well. And we'll get it to you. It's already paid up, so I'll try to get it. I think it's too late to get it shipped today, but I'll definitely get it shipped out for you Monday. Appreciate it, Lee. Thank you for your patience, sir. Have a good one.